Originally, they said they were going to lay cement today, but as you can see, this is not cement. So they said today they need a few more days to get it ready. The electrician has been through here running the cables to prep below for lights and ceiling fans and things like that. As you can see over there, it's kind of hard to walk on this rebar. Still a little bit to do over here on this side before they can lay the cement. So right now they're saying 2 more days. So let's fingers crossed that that stays true. There's the kitchen sink. Come over here. We've got the shower. The front door is going to be right behind the shower on the other side of the wall. Right there. And toilet. And the sink right there. And this will be the wall of the bedroom. And be a nice big window right there. We'll cut back these branches a little bit so there'll be a great view right there.
Big day. I had several more days of delays, but I think it's actually happening. We're going to pour cement slabs and get that 3rd level started. So we're super excited. 7:45 in the morning, opening things up right now, and hopefully by this afternoon we'll have some fresh cement poured upstairs. The plumber's here now. He's going to finish up the putting in the pipes for this bathroom right where my thumb is, and electrician will be by shortly to finish laying down the tubes for this room here for electricity in that kitchen island right there in the middle, and a few other things, and then I think we may be ready to go after that.
As he drove through, he just caught the electrical wire above, so this will be interesting. He's up against the clock, getting this last piece in. Very safe right here, very safe. Hanging off the edge of this. That's pretty cool. Guess they'll help come through and do this side next. Even it all out. Right over there, that's they put those styrofoam pieces where they'll have toilets and pipes for the shower and sink. The other ones are covered up, so I guess I'll have to dig them out. But all went pretty well. I think things that were a little surprising was the amount of mess that it makes. As you can see, we actually want to use and save these wood floors here, so it's going to take a little bit of work to clean up here. As you go through, they've been cleaning up down below where just the cement goes everywhere, and that's I really didn't know what to expect, but it was way more of a mess than I thought it would be, which is just my ignorance on how this whole process works. But it's pretty cool to see. Only took about 45 minutes for them to do all of the pouring of the cement. Maybe I didn't understand what they were telling me, but I believe it was explained to me that it'll take about 10 days or so for the cement to dry enough to remove these wood planks underneath and take all this out, and they'll still leave a few columns here for another couple weeks after that. In the meantime, I don't know what we're going to do. So I guess in the next couple of days we'll find out if they can continue on with the next level, or if they need to move on to a different project in between. So who knows? But we'll find out tomorrow. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.